Hello and welcome to Data Structures. Before we start, you should already have looked at basic syntax, variables, loops, and how to write functions. You should be well conversant with these by now. Today, we're going to look at data structures, the types, and we will focus on one particular type. So what is data? Data is basically the numbers, the facts, the statistics, and any other kind of information that you would like to store and use for something later on. A data structure thereafter is the way we organize and store this data. There's two ways we can store and organize data. It could be in a linear form, whereby data is organized right next to each other in a sequence. Think of it as a bookshelf, where you have two rows and you put the books right next to each other. So one after the other, and they're literally touching each other. So this is linear because it's in one line, we're following one line. So that is a linear data structure. The other kind that we shall look at is a non-linear data structure. With this one, data is organized in a sort of hierarchical way. Think of it like a family tree where you have one ancestor who branches out into two, branches out into more, and keeps on branching like that and like that. So under here, they are trees and graphs and the sort, but we shall focus on linear data structures. The examples that we particularly will look at are the arrays, the strings, which have already been covered, the stacks, and the queues. In the next video, we're going to dive deeper into arrays.